So I just get my Amazon box for the box for my Plex soft start. This one. So I just gonna show you that one and my Plex too, and I just gonna do open box. So this the Micro Air Plex soft start that I get. I cannot show you the right name there because they stick our my shipping labels there, and this one is I just get the box of it so that it makes it never get any moisture when you pour it in your system, in your condensed motor for your HVAC. So let's open this one really quick. I get this on Amazon for 24 hours. Hopefully this one's the rices I got. So just put this one in the top. So let's see if it is, when I make a hole, this one it fits. So this is the back. When you open it, some instruction and some support too. Bubble wrap, plastic. The good thing, this one, it comes with the sealed wire too, and this is the wire, and this one is the, I give you close-up look, Micro Air Easy Start Plex. So this one's universal, and you can use for Bluetooth to check in your cell phone if you want to do that a little bit farther. And let's see if this one's fit when you sit on the top of this box. So you can tell that this one is pretty sit when you let's open this one and show you how it looks when you put it inside. This one's with the hinges, with the lock both, and you can put your a little padlock there. So let's open it really quick. So they give you two cable gland there. So the other one you use for the unit, and the other one's for this box. So I insert it, so it's perfectly fit. You can put this one also after you make a hole there. And they have some bucket enclosure too. This one, two, both sides to make a good seal. So even the side of this box, the clear one, they have a good seal there, so it's not gonna attract any moisture there. It's positive, so it's perfectly fit there. So now to how you pour it in a condenser unit, or you can in a wall. So let's do it. And they give you 4 sets of this to pour it in a wall, so you can put right there in the back. So, Pelo, you need to meticulously measure that one so that it's pretty aligned when you put there inside. So, that's the one I need to carrot drill. So, let's do that one. So, I measure it good. So, now it's time to cut that one. So, it's there. I already put the thing there. And now it's time to insert the wires for the soft starts cable. For installation, you need to pull this one out. You don't need it, and then so it's positive. I already have a good seal there because I make it snug. So now time to put the cable on. I have noticed, Pelo, this one's a little bit the provided in the back, so I need to save some a little bit part there to keep going inside. So that Pelo, you have a easy job. You need to buy this step tool too to make a hole to yours. This one's enough to the one I do it, but I just get some little do there so that I can make the hole a little bit bigger. So you can see it's I send it freely now. So a little bit tight, but I like the one so that they have a good seal. So finally I put there securely. I just put a little one screw there, only in the bottom side, only one, and one in the top right there. So pretty good. And the tools that you need to use when you do this one, it's adjustable wrench, a one positive screw, and this drill, and that one the step tool. Get a little bigger than that one so that you have pretty much it fits to this hole there. I just do some remedy to cut it to make a little bit bigger. To give you a closer look how I do it, so I only put one screw there, I repeat, in the top right side too, to hold the flex soft start, and that's the one I do. It's pretty sealed there, so I just gonna give you where I got this one in the bottom of this unboxing. So just read there, and they still have lamination plastic there. I'm just gonna take care of that later. So make sure when you put the to hang on the wall, this one is out, so that when you stick this one is in a wall, you're not gonna be a hard time. So make sure all the same. So the bracket is out like that, not inside, is out. I'll give you an angle there. So here it's a moment of truth. So I already installing everything. So even this sealed box is there. So make sure screw it tight. It's not, see, even I shake, it's very solid. And this is the tube cable that I already put it. So I give you close-up looks there. And I put some yellow zip tie there so that it isn't gonna go anywhere. It's not gonna move when you install it. So now this one's ready to install. So but I just gonna show you later how this one is installed. So I have a second review on this one, so I just show you how to put it. There's some people that put here inside, but it's not gonna fit. So this is the easy way. They have a pretty long, a little bit cable there to reach the condenser. So I think that'll be it, and thanks very much. So that's the how I put it. This one you can close it and seal with the latch there, and close up look. And have a wonderful day. See you next time. Please subscribe. I'm out.